Hi kids, good morning. How are you all? Fine. Yes. Good. Today I am going to teach you Hindi. Okay? What is Hindi? It's a different language. Yes? Do you know children? It is our national language. It is our national language. Right. So, let us start with the Varnamala. Varnamala means in English alphabets. Okay. Auto Shra letters are called Varnamala. Let us start writing part. Okay. Are you all waiting to read or write now? Yes? Okay, let us start with the Varnamala. Okay, children? Ready to listen, all of you? Okay. First, see here. I am writing Varnamala letters. Okay, starting with the writing after learn. Okay, see here. Starting with the heading only. Heading. How do you write heading? Some letters, some matra A and some Adi Akshar. Yes, it is one of the word. So what is the word? Varnamala. Okay, how it is right? See here. Va, Ana, Ra Adi Akshar, Ma, second Aki matra, La, second Aki matra. Varnamala. Alphabets means in Hindi Varnamala. Auto Shra letters are called Varnamala. Okay, Varnamala. Va, Ana, Ra Adi Akshar, Ma, second Aki matra, La, second Aki matra. Varnamala. Okay, so let's start writing. So what is the starting letter? Yes, A. Okay, how it is right? Do you know numbers? First write number 3. After one standing line, middle give one small line and one sleeping line. It is letter A. Again write number 3. Now write 2 standing lines and one small line after one sleeping line. It is A. Okay, next letter? Yeah, E. So first letter E. Okay, sleeping line, one small standing line, letter S and give line extra down. Okay, alphabet S writing no children. So here letter S getting. After continue here line to down. Okay, it is letter E. And next sleeping line, one small standing line and a letter S. After continue down to line. After give one line up. Okay, it is E. After U. Number 3, sleeping line. It is letter U. Again write number 3. Middle give one extra line and sleeping line. It is U. After one sleeping line, standing line. Do you know K writing? Here writing reverse. After here give 1 2. Okay, so it is letter ru. So these letters, see here, a, e, u, ru. Okay, so what is the next letter? A. So write here number 11. Okay, so starting line is there, give one stroke down after one sleeping line. Okay, it is letter A. After again write number 11, one cross line after one sleeping line. Okay, after up give one small line, it is I. Okay, and next letter O. Do you know we are writing here second A? Okay, write here second A after one sleeping line and give one extra line up, it is a letter O. After again write A, after two lines give up and one sleeping line, it is ow. First letter A is there, right here after give one dot, it is and again write letter A and side give two dots, it is aha. Okay, A, I, O, ow, aha. So now I'm completed here A to aha letters. Okay, A, E, U, ru, A, I, O, ow, aha. Okay, so A to aha letters are called स्वर. आ से आहा अक्षर को स्वर अक्षर कहते हैं. ओके, सो आ से आहा अक्षर को स्वर अक्षर कहते हैं. स्वर को अर्थ वोवेल्स. ओके, सो लेट्स वी गो टू व्यंजन. ओके, so what is the व्यंजन starting letter? का. Okay, one standing line and left side one zero right and right side one sit down. Okay, after one sleeping line, it is ka. And next second letter kha. Second letter ni otti palukutam. Yes, are you understand, Nana? See here, ila start chesi here 2, here we go and here give one 0 and one standing line. Okay, one sleeping line, it is kha. After ga is very easy. See, completed. Here one extra line, it is letter ga. Okay, next gha, number 3 reverse. Here to there down give one line. Okay, it is letter gha. After inya, sleeping line, one small standing line and letter yes. After give one small dot, it is letter inya. Okay, so next one is letter cha. Start here to left side to start and go to up and give down to line, one sleeping line, it is letter cha. And gha is there, a second letter gha, same as it is. See, 3 తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఇలా రివర్స్ రాసి ఇలా వచ్చి ఇలా సర్కిల్ చేయాలి. వన్ స్మాల్ స్టాండింగ్ లైన్ అండ్ వన్ స్మాల్ స్లీపింగ్ లైన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఛ. ఛ ఛ. నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ జా. సి ఇలా రాసి అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ స్లీపింగ్ లైన్ and one standing line and again sleeping line. It is letter ja. Okay, so same as it is, write here one sleeping line, one small standing line and a letter S right here. After it is a letter E. Yes, so extra here one standing line give and join here one small line. It is ja. Okay, and the next one is ini, sleeping line, standing line and one sleeping line small. After write this like. Okay, it is ini. And the next, see here once, ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini. Okay, and the next, ta, sleeping line, one small standing line and C reverse right here. It is a letter ta. Okay, and again sleeping line, one small standing line after zero right here. It is tha. Okay, same letter, sleeping line, one small standing line and a letter S right here. It is da. Okay, and the next is sleeping line, one small standing line and letter C and circle it. Okay, it is dha. Ana, letter U, English alphabet U. After give one extra line, standing line after one sleeping line, close with the sleeping line. It is ana. Okay, what are these letters? Ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Okay, we'll go to next letter. Okay, see here. Next, what is the next letter? Ta. Do you know children, alphabet H is there, small h. So here writing we are reverse. It is a letter ta. Okay, one sleeping line ta and here give one small circle and go to up and one standing line. Okay, it is tha. Okay, and the next da, same as it is, down getting some one line, one sleeping line, standing line, small standing line and here writing we are second dha and continue the line to down. Okay, it is da. After, do you know children, gha, second letter ga is there, same as it is but here getting one small circle. Okay, see, completed. What is this letter? Dha. Okay, ta, tha, da, dha. And the next one is na, one sleeping line, one standing line and here write. Okay, it is a letter na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay, and the next letter, what is the next letter? Pa. So are you written here letter English alphabet U, no children, same as it is but not U. Okay, give one line down after sleeping line. Okay, it is letter pa and the same as it is right here and here to give one line extra. Okay, it is letter pha and the next ba. How it is right? Sleeping line, standing line, one circle and middle give one extra line, cross line. Okay, it is letter ba. And next bha. How it is right? See, starting with a small circle and here circle give and go to up and go to down. Okay, and close with a small sleeping line. Okay, bha it is. After ma, but not getting circle here. See, straight. Okay, here give one stroke. Okay, it is a letter ma. Okay, are you understand ma? Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Okay, we'll go to next letter. pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. After letter, yeah, same as it is tha only, but some difference is there. See, here circle get a tha letter. Okay, we don't give circle. Starting with a simple cross line only. Okay, it is ya. Okay, and next ra, number 2 right here. Okay, after close with a sleeping line, it is letter ra, ya, ra, and the next one la. Okay, after one standing line, close with a sleeping line, it is a letter la, and the same as it is, but middle line only not give. Okay, sleeping line, one standing line, and one circle give, it is letter va. Okay, and the next one she, one extra standing line, sleeping line. Okay, it is letter she, ya, ra, la, va, she. Okay, so what is the next letter? Sha, same letter pa right here. Okay, so what are you writing now? Letter sha. Okay, she completed, now letter sha. Okay, I am here written pa letter, so it is a sha, sorry, it is sha or pa, pa only, no? So one cross line give middle. Okay, now this letter is sha. Okay, next letter sa, first number 2 right here, one standing line right here, give one small joint line, and close with the sleeping line. Okay, sa, and one small sleeping line, one small standing line, and number 3 right here totally reverse. Okay, it is letter ha, ya, ra, la, va, she, sha, sa, ha. Okay, so next, completed letters? No, didn't completed. Still we are in still Varnamala only. Okay, so Vyanjanakshar completed, and first onwards a to aha letters Swarakshar completed. After ka to ha letters Vyanjanakshar completed. Now we will go to Samyuktakshar. Okay, Samyuktakshar in Varnamala. Okay na? See, ksha, Samyuktakshar first letter is ksha, sleeping line, one standing line. Okay, here give one line with the bending and give circle and down. Okay, it is a letter ksha. Okay, what is the next letter? Tra. Tra, very easy children, one sleeping line. Okay, do you know letter K in English alphabet? Okay, here writing reverse, right here letter K reverse. Okay, it is letter tra, and the next one is nya, sleeping line, standing line. So do you know ja letter writing? Same, here to one line. Okay, nya. After shra, last letter in Varnamala, shra, Samyuktakshar, one sleeping line, one standing line. ఇక్కడ మనం ఇలా సర్కిల్ చేసి ఇలా కిందికి వచ్చాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే see here ma, here to start and give circle and joint here and come to down, it is letter shra. Okay, what are these letters? Ksha, tra, jna, shra. Okay, now are you understand? I think yes. Are you understand Nana? Writing process Varnamala. Okay, next we will go to reading after explanation. Okay, see here, A to AHA letters. So first we can learn total letters. Okay, before are you completed writing process? I think all of you understand. Okay, do you know writing part now? Any doubts? Okay, practice well. Okay, first learn this. Okay, we can ready to read? Okay, all of you ready to reading? Sit properly, listen carefully. Okay, see here. First heading, starting with a heading only. So A to Shra letters are called Varnamala. Yes, Va, Ana, Ra అదే అక్షర్, మా సెకండ్ ఆకి మాత్ర, లా సెకండ్ ఆకి మాత్ర, వర్ణమాల. ఓకే, वर्णमाला means alphabets in Hindi में. Okay, A, I, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay, so what are these akshar? What are these letters? स्वराक्षर कहते हैं. क्या है ये? स्वराक्षर. आ, ई, उ, रू, ये, आई, ओ, औ, अहा. Okay, so next we will go to Vyanjanakshar. What is the starting letter? It is letter Ka. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Inya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ini, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Ana, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, She, शा, सा, हा. ओके, का से हा अक्षर को व्यंजनाक्षर कहते हैं. ओके, सो व्यंजन को अर्थ कॉन्सोनेंट्स. ओके, आ टू आहा लेटर्स आर कॉल्ड स्वराक्षर. स्वराक्षर को अर्थ वोवेल्स. स्वर को अर्थ वोवेल्स. आफ्टर का टू हा लेटर्स आर कॉल्ड व्यंजन. व्यंजन को अर्थ कॉन्सोनेंट्स. आफ्टर संयुक्ताक्षर, व्हाट आर दोज? क्षा, त्रा, ज्ञा, श्रा. ये चार अक्षर को संयुक्ताक्षर कहते हैं. ओके, संयुक्ताक्षर को अर्थ एनी टू डिफरेंट लेटर्स ऐड मीन्स आर कॉल्ड संयुक्ताक्षर. ओके नम्मा, सी हियर वंस अगेन, रीड प्रॉपर्ली. आ, ई, उ, रू, ए, I, O, Au, Aha, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Inya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ini, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Ana, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Ana, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, She, Sha, Sa, Ha, Ksha, Tra, Jna, Shra. Okay, A to Shra letters are called Varnamala. Varnamala letters are 3 types. They are A to AHA letters. A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha. A to AHA letters are called Swar. Va, Sa अदे अक्षर, Ra. Swar, स्वर को अर्थ vowels. VOWELS, vowels. Okay, after Ka to Ha letters. Ka to ha letters are called Vyanjan. Ya, va, ade akshar, am ki matra, ja, na. Vyanjan. Vyanjan called the consonants. C-O-N-S-O, conso. N-A-N-T-S, nants, consonants. Okay. And the next, ksha, tra, jna, shra. These 4 letters are called Samyuktakshar. Sa, am ki matra, ya, first 2 ki matra, ta, ka, ade akshar, second a ki matra, ksha, ra. Samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar ko arth, any 2 different letters add means are called Samyuktakshar. Okay. Ja plus ini ade akshar jna. She plus ra ade akshar. She ade akshar plus ra is equal to shra. Okay. So these are letters. A to shra letters. A to shra letters are called Varnamala. Varnamala letters are 3 types. They are Swar, Vyanjan and Samyuktakshar. Swar ko are the vowels. Okay. Swar. Swar ko are the vowels. Not appearing na. See here. Va, sa, ade akshar, ra. Swar. Swar ko are the vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels. After Vyanjan, ya, va, ade akshar, am ki matra, ja, na. Vyanjan. Vyanjan ko are the consonants. C-O-N-S-O, conso. N-A-N-T-S, nants, consonants. Okay. And the next last one is Samyuktakshar. These 4 letters are called Samyuktakshar. Sa, am ki matra, ya, first 2 ki matra, ta, ka, ade akshar, second a ki matra, ksha, ra. Samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar ko arth, any 2 different letters add means are called Samyuktakshar. Okay. So A to shra letters. A to shra letters are called Varnamala. Varnamala letters are 3 types. Are you know now? Once again, read carefully. See the book. Okay. See here. I am showing you letters also, children. See carefully and loudly read. అంటే గట్టిగా పలకండి, గట్టిగా చదవండి. ఓకే. ఆ, ఆ, ఈ, ఈ, ఉ, ఊ, రు, ఏ, ఐ, ఓ, ఔ, అం, అహా, క, ఖ, గ, ఘ, ఇన్య, చ, ఛ, జ, ఝ, ఇని, ట, ఠ, డ, ఢ, అన, త, థ, ద, ధ, న, ప, ఫ, బ, భ, మ, య, ర, ల, వ, షే, ష, స, హ, క్ష, త్ర, జ్ఞ, శ్ర. Okay. So these total letters are called Varnamala. Varnamala letters are 3 types. They are A to Aha letters are called Swar. Swar ko are the vowels. After Ka to Ha letters are called Vyanjan. Vyanjan ko are the consonants. After Ksha, Tra, Jna, Shra, these 4 letters are called Samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar ko are the any 2 different letters and means are called Samyuktakshar. Okay. So these are Varnamala, Ase, Ksha, Ase, Shra letters. Okay na children? I think all of you understand. Okay. So take notebook and practice well. Okay.